Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hey, this is Sharifta, and once again appreciated in my channel. So today I am going to teach you how can you apply link from one page to another page in HTML. So let's start. Firstly, if you are new in my channel, so you have to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for my latest video. So okay. For apply link from one page to another page, so you will open ANHREF. HREF means hyperreference is equal inverted comma open inverted comma close, then close tag and write text who you want to show outside. When you will click, so link will be show. Then I want to show home, so that's why I have written. Then I will close slash a slash body and slash html. Okay, I have already told you, if you want to apply link in your html page, so you will write a harif. It means a hyperreference. So for apply link, you will open file who you want to apply as a link. Suppose I want to link my HTML file from this file, so I will open this file, right click, and open with Internet Explorer. Then you will copy this address, select, Control C, copy, and let's open your file and paste in middle of this inverted commas, Control V, and file, save as. And after right name, you will write .html, save. Okay, so you can see the link has met. When you will click home, so link will be open. So I hope you will be understand. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.